How to fix Twitter video processing stuck at 99. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix Twitter video processing stuck at 99%. If you are experiencing an issue when your Twitter video is stuck at 99% processing, it can be frustrating. So here are some steps you can try to resolve this issue. Sometimes the processing can take longer than expected, especially if the video file is large. Give it some time to see if it eventually completes. If it doesn't fix your problem, ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. You can switch your internet connection to your data cellular, also you can turn on and off airplane mode. If the video is still stuck at 99%, then try cancelling the upload. Upload the video again. Sometimes this can resolve the issue. Also make sure that the video file you are trying to upload meets Twitter's requirements in terms of format and size. Usually Twitter supports MP4 and MOV file formats with a maximum file size of 512 MB and a maximum duration of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So make sure to check it. Also, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can sometimes resolve the issue. For that, you can go to the device settings and from the applications, find Twitter application or X application, and from there you can choose internet storage where you will find clear data and clear cache. You can clear cache and clear data. Also remember that if you clear your data, you may have to log into your account again. If none of these solutions work, you may need to reach out to the Twitter support for assistance. Here, click on this profile icon, click on the settings and support to expand it, and click on this help center. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or resolve this issue. So by following these steps, you will be able to resolve the issue of your Twitter video being stuck at 99 processing. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.